Happy New Year! Are you trying to get healthy or diet trying in 2021? This week's Winter Wellness Challenge will help you to better understand diets and what might work well for you long term. My name is Brianna Routh, and I am a registered dietitian as well as an extension food and family specialist with Montana State University Extension. The diet industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. While you or someone you know may have had short-term weight loss success, diets can often also have undesired physical or mental health impacts too. So what are the benefits? Some people lose weight in the short term. Most do not permanently lose that weight and often result in yo-yo dieting or fluctuations in weight and food consumption over time. And this might be riskier for health outcomes than elevated weight in the first place. So what does research say is the healthiest diet out there for us? The dietary guidelines for Americans just came out with their 2020 to 2025 revisions, and these are developed by a panel of nutrition, medical, and research experts to determine what the entire body of research on different diets or diet trends or different food groups might tell us can help Americans to eat healthier as well as prevent disease across the lifespan. Generally, all food groups have something important to provide our bodies in terms of vitamins, nutrients, or energy. Most Americans don't get enough fruits and vegetables in their daily or weekly foods. We also know that every person's body is different, so it's always important to talk to your healthcare provider and/or dietitian whenever you're going to make any sort of diet. We know from research as well as personal experience that it's hard to make long-term changes. So start with something small and achievable for a goal and build from there. Something like adding another fruit or vegetable to your day, or taking out one sugar-sweetened beverage in a day. Similarly, we know that you will experience times when you might not reach your goal or feel less successful. But remember what's motivating you to get or stay healthy and consider what that might do, what you might learn from any of these unsuccessful experiences. We're most successful when we have support and accountability. Some find this support from family at meal times or at the grocery store. Others find it from friends through social media, and still others find it from professional supports like dietitians, counselors, or other healthcare providers. So try to find a different support partner and strategy that work best for you. As you tackle your potential New Year's resolution, remember these truths. Food is nourishment for our bodies and mind. Food connects us to others, so find your supports. While it can contribute to long-term health risks, weight does not define your health. During the next 2 weeks, I challenge you to take a small step towards a healthy diet with one of these strategies. If you find small goals on your phone motivating, try the USDA Start Simple with My Plate app to identify food groups based on ideas like incorporating new protein into your diet. If you like cooking with others, I invite you to find a support buddy to cook a meal together or at a distance using Buy, Eat, Live Better recipes from the MSU Extension webpage. If you're motivated by tracking calories, find out what My Plate guidelines recommend with the My Plate Planner. Remember, food is important and your diet is a journey. So take small steps today towards a healthier you.